We'll watch. We'll watch.
All right, this is Don Cowboy Biker Adventures. I just thought I would film this boat ride at Disney Springs. This takes us to Saratoga and also Old Key West. Should be about a 20-minute ride all the way there. Just thought I'd show you the scenery. So this is a pretty cool place. They got the balloon ride going up. The amphibious cars are over there too. I did a short on that. It's $125 per car for 20 minutes. And you can put up to 4 people in the car. Breeze feels good. Looks like the golf course is coming up.
Alright folks, we are going to get ready to dock over here at Saratoga. So if you're seated, stay seated. If you're standing, hold on to a handrail. Make sure arms, hands, legs, and feet stay inside the vessel. Once it's safe to disembark, I'll give the all clear station. Thank you.
That includes everything, doesn't it? They've got their own church, their own post office, it's a whole community. It's just like their own district. And I gotta tell you, when you go into that pool, it's not only if yours gets ripped, you get added to everyone that visits it. So even if someone rents someone else's, you're gonna get part of that.
Wow.
It's a pool that goes all the fun that that little pool makes. It's gonna save you some money. Yeah.
Wish they turned the music off. All right, guys. So I'm here.
For your safety, if you're seated, remain seated. And if you're standing, hold on to the handrail. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until the captain gives you the all clear to go ashore. Now relax and enjoy your cruise, and we'll have you at your port of call in just a few minutes. Thanks for sailing with us.
Is one of the Skyride stuff?
Do what now?
He was one of the Skyride stuff.
I don't know. I'm not sure on that.
We could get off. We can just take a bus back to Disney Springs.
All right, here we go, folks.
Take a bus to wherever they're at.
I'm here with my friends Wayne and Carrie and my new friend Jeff.
Right by where the bus is.
This is Disney Springs again. That was the Saratoga stop on to Old Key West.
Get off at the next one.
We're gonna have to lower the camera here to make it under this bridge.
Oh, she stopped back here on the way back.
So here we go, getting ready for this bridge coming up. Here we go. That will clear, I'm sure. I had to lower it for this bridge.
Oh, wow. That's pretty narrow.
Yeah. You don't want to meet about it.
Oh, that's how it is. Watch out for the bridge, babe.
I lowered it quite a bit. Still made me nervous though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I lowered it. I lowered it several feet.
Swallows. Lots of swallows.
Yes, that's cool. They're purple martins.
What are they called?
Purple martins.
Okay.
Wow.
They have them here throughout Disney to eat the mosquitoes.
Oh, really?
Mosquito eater. Those are purple martins.
Cool.
And Disney brought them here to eat the mosquitoes.
There you go.
One lovely duck over there. Mom and Dad.
Get the resort style living for free.
Right?
It looks like we got another bridge coming.
But we thought that would be a good place too, that, you know, even after she's done working or whatever, we could keep to come down every year and then like go north.
It's close to
Yeah.
here, it's close to Jacksonville, St. Augustine, all those places.
Yeah. We're cutting anywhere up down.
You can actually take this boat ride and cool off because there's a little bit of air movement and you're in the shade. So it kind of cools you off when you get hot out there walking.
Wait, no, this time. Go back.
Enough guys. Not enough guys.
All right, here we go.
Long and straight.
Not crazy about these bridges. There we go. Cleared another bridge. I may not have mentioned this, but this is 360 video, so feel free to look around.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exactly, yeah.
This is cool. This is cool in here. But remember, Disney was built on swampland. Is this the end?
No.
Is this where we're going?
I don't know. That one's
I don't believe so. I think it's just, yeah, there's another one after this.
Okay.
She's two stops and they're two stops. They're two different stops.
Not sure if this is the end for this boat or not. So hang in there, we'll see.
Want to get off here?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, this looks like the end of the road, so
West, right?
No, and this is the Treehouse Village.
if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.